guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Khadija Aminchi. I hope you are all doing well. I know I have been very not consistent with my videos, but what how can I do? Like, I'm a mom, like I have 2 kids to take care of and house chores, you know guys. So to cut it short, today's video is going to be on this look you see right here, and also I'm going to show you my favorite things I've been loving lately, and also the things I bought and I regret buying. Without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, the turban I'm wearing is from Turban NG. I will drop their IG account. Make sure you check them out. They have amazing turbans. So I'm gonna start with this diamond glow oil. I love this product. I will also leave their IG account down below for you guys to check out. He has amazing skincare products, like natural skincare products. Be sure to check them out. So I'm applying that all over my face to get that dewy glowy finish. By now, same as our foundation, so you mix in L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Cocoa and Huda Beauty in the shade Gingerbread. Zan saka gaba daya fuska na using my beauty blender. So as you can see, that oil is doing its thing. You can see that beautiful glow like peeking through the foundation. Just love it. So guys, I just forgot to color correct. Oh my god, but oh well, I'm gonna make it work. So this concealer I'm going to use now for highlighting is totally new. I've never used it before, so we're gonna see how it's going to work out. I hope I will love it. So I'm just going to highlight my under eye as usual, and the other side too. I'll just apply a nice coat of concealer in the bridge of my nose too, to get that nose snatched, and my forehead as well, and my cupid's bone and my chin. So I'll use my beauty blender to blend it out. I always start by blending the outer part of the concealer, then later on I will blend the inside. So far so good with the concealer. It's still blending, but when I was almost done, I realized that the concealer keeps getting patchy, and I applied more off camera, but it just kept getting patchy. I couldn't blend it out really well, so I decided to just go on and apply my LA Girl as usual to just make it work. So I'm going to use this concealer to contour, and this concealer, I find it like is it ashy? It has this ashy undertone. I just don't like it how it turns out, and this is my first time using it too. It's like a first impression on this one, and then using a lighter one to contour my nose, because I don't want my nose contour to be too harsh. And I will also use my beauty blender to blend that contour out, just like so. Blend, and do not drag. I always say it, make sure you just dab it into your skin, don't drag it. set the highlighted areas, we are going to use this setting powder. This is called Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set all the highlighted areas. And then I will use a dark shade from this powder palette. It's also from this Sasha Buttercup company. I'll use the one of the dark shade to set my contoured areas with this small Real Technique brush. I'm also, if you notice, I'm also tapping on the powder. I'm not like dragging it, because I feel like whenever you do that you get the best result. I'm going to use this MAC mineralized skin finish to set the entire face. The powder is sheer and also has a dewy finish to it. So as I told you earlier, my aim today is to get that dewy finish makeup. So that's why I'm using this powder. Just applying it all over the face. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and we're going to move on to eyeshadow. I'm so excited because I want to do something dramatic for today's look. So we're using this color right here from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So did I say Anastasia? I mean Huda Beauty. This is a dusk palette. So I'm applying that all over my lid. All over my crease. What's wrong with me? I'm applying that all over my crease, as you can see. I am making sure that the color pops well. That's nice, just the way I want. Then we applying this red color on top of that orange we applied. Okay, I think this is okay. So I'm using a little bit of concealer to apply on the lid. That will help the eyeshadow I'm applying pops really well. I'm just applying a thin layer, and I'm making sure I blend the edges of the concealer, because we're not doing a cut crease, so you make sure you blend that line, that hash line. So for eyeshadow, I'm using this Morphe eyeshadow X Jaclyn Hill. I'm using the royal blue on the lid. So I'm going to use this Ode from Huda Beauty. There's a dusk palette to blend the hash lines of that royal blue eyeshadow I applied. And I'll also apply the blue eyeshadow on my waterline, just like so. Saya blush kuma saya mix wa'inang kalang guda biyu, kalulan na guda biyu, sai saka su as blush. I am setting my nose contour with a powder that is a shade or two darker than my skin tone. I'm using a powder from that Sasha powder palette I showed you earlier, and always dab on the powder, do not drag it to get the best result. So I will now use this clean color brow tint plus gel to put those long hairs in place, and also it makes the hair look even lighter. To my favorite part of makeup routine, highlighting. I love highlighting, so I'll just pop that on the highest point of my cheeks, just like that. And the lip pencil is also from Elsa's Pro. It's really good too. I love it. It's so creamy. So, and the lipstick, I'll be using only the shot one. I do not use the gloss one. So I just apply that in the middle, and I will get a lip brush to blend where the light lipstick meets the dark one. So this is it. Now we will discuss about the things I like and the things I regret buying. First of all, these creams are bomb, especially this day cream. It's a vitamin E moisturizer. It's a day cream, and this is a night cream. I am loving this too. Like, it gives you this moisturized skin. I just love how my skin feels when I wear it. And also this lipstick from Elsa's Pro, they had a sale, so of course I have to go get some few things. I normally buy from them, but when I heard about this sale, I had to go and see what I can buy. For those who have been following me on my Instagram handle, know I did a review on this skincare company Slush Bell. This is really good. Mine is almost finished, so I'm definitely going to buy one. I love it. Okay, I love this Slush Bell oil too. I reviewed about this oil. Yeah, I did a review on it too. I love it. I always wear it before my makeup. Whenever I want a dewy finish skin, I always put that oil on it. So I love their 5-in-1 lashes. I love them. I've been using it on my clients. I really love them. And I also got this lip pencils. They are really good too. They draw on really easy, and they are really creamy as well. So let's move on to the things I regret buying. The first thing is these concealers. I love the packaging. Like, the packaging is totally okay. Like, it looks like NARS, guys, but this product, no. Like, it is easy to blend, but I don't know why it's like keeps looking patchy on my face. I don't know what happened, so I'm totally not going to use this again. Probably I will be throwing it out, but I'm just kidding. But I'll maybe give it out. Somebody might want to try it on. And also this concealer too. This is it. Ferrero concealer. Oh my god, this is a no-no. I hate it. like look at the colors too, no undertones, just mainly I think this is for maybe fair to medium skin, not medium, yeah, fair skin. But for a medium to dark, no, we can't really use it. And like it blends easily, but it doesn't hold on your skin very well. Like I just love my LA Girl concealer, guys, and the other brands, but is it by force, guys? I think that's it. So we are done. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and also push that notification button on so that you'll be able to receive notification whenever I have a new video for you guys. And this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it, and